Are your closets, drawers, and countertops starting to feel a little out of control? In this video, we're counting down 10 Amazon home organization products that can help maximize space, reduce clutter, and make everyday life easier. Whether you're organizing a small apartment or a busy family home, there's something here for every need and budget. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and details. Starting off our list at number 10, we have this under-sink organizer rack, and it's one of those products that makes you wonder why cabinet space always feels so wasted. The area under most sinks is usually cluttered, hard to reach, and packed with cleaning supplies that somehow disappear the moment you need them. This organizer solves that problem with a sliding basket design that brings everything out into view in seconds. It's especially useful for storing spray bottles, detergents, sponges, trash bags, or bathroom essentials without creating a messy pile. The adjustable layout also helps work around sink pipes, which is often the biggest challenge in these cabinets. Instead of digging through crowded shelves, everything has a dedicated spot and stays easy to access. For anyone trying to create a cleaner, more functional kitchen or bathroom without spending a fortune, this is a simple upgrade that delivers a surprisingly noticeable difference, which is why it earns the number 10 spot on our list. Coming in at number 9, we have a set of adjustable drawer dividers, and while they might not look particularly exciting at first glance, they can completely change the way your drawers function. If you're tired of opening a kitchen, bedroom, or office drawer and finding everything mixed together, these dividers create instant structure without requiring any tools or permanent installation. The adjustable design lets you customize each section to fit utensils, makeup, socks, office supplies, or practically anything else that tends to become a mess over time. What makes them especially useful is their flexibility. As your storage needs change, you can simply reposition them instead of buying new organizers. The bamboo finish also gives drawers a cleaner, more polished appearance compared to typical plastic alternatives. It's a small upgrade, but one that helps eliminate daily frustration and makes it easier to find exactly what you need at a glance. For bringing order to some of the most chaotic spaces in the home, this earns a well-deserved place at number 9. At number 8, we have a rotating corner bookshelf, a smart solution for anyone who feels like they've run out of storage space but doesn't want to sacrifice floor space to get more of it. Instead of leaving corners empty and unused, this shelf transforms them into a functional storage area that can hold books, plants, collectibles, decor pieces, and everyday essentials. The rotating design is what really makes it stand out. Rather than reaching awkwardly into a corner, you can simply spin the shelf and access everything with ease. It's especially useful in apartments, bedrooms, home offices, or living rooms where every square foot matters. Beyond the practical benefits, it also doubles as a decorative piece that adds character and warmth to a space. The vertical design provides plenty of storage while maintaining a relatively small footprint, making rooms feel organized without looking crowded. For combining style, accessibility, and efficient use of space, this is an easy choice for the number 8 position on our countdown. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Taking the number 7 spot, we have this stackable closet shelf organizer, a product that can make a surprisingly big impact if your wardrobe tends to turn into a pile of folded clothes after just a few days. One of the biggest problems with traditional shelves is that stacks quickly become mixed together whenever you pull something out. This organizer solves that by giving each category its own dedicated compartment, making it much easier to keep shirts, sweaters, jeans, towels, or seasonal clothing neatly separated. The open front design means you can grab what you need without disturbing everything around it, which helps maintain organization over time, instead of just on cleaning day. Another advantage is the stackable structure, allowing you to customize the setup depending on the available space in your closet. Whether you're working with a small apartment wardrobe or simply trying to maximize storage efficiency, this organizer helps create a cleaner, more functional system that saves time every single morning, which makes it a strong contender for the number 7 position on our list. Sliding into the number 6 position, we have this collapsible laundry basket, a simple product that solves a problem most people deal with every week. Traditional laundry baskets are bulky, awkward to store, and tend to take up valuable floor space even when they're empty. This design folds down flat when not in use, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, laundry rooms, or anyone trying to keep their home feeling less cluttered. Despite its space-saving design, it still offers enough capacity to handle a full load of clothes, towels, or bedding. The sturdy handles make it easy to carry from room to room, and the lightweight construction means it's comfortable to use even when filled. What makes it particularly practical is that it disappears when you don't need it, helping maintain a cleaner and more organized space. It may not be the flashiest item on this list, but it's one of those everyday upgrades that quietly makes life more convenient, which is exactly why it earns the number 6 spot. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Halfway through the ranking at number 5, we have a pull-out cabinet organizer, and if you've ever had to kneel on the floor and reach into the back of a deep cabinet looking for a specific item, you already know exactly why this product exists. Standard lower cabinets often waste a huge amount of usable space because items get buried behind one another and quickly become difficult to access. This pull-out system changes that completely by bringing everything forward with a smooth sliding motion. Whether you're storing pots, pans, cleaning supplies, food containers, or pantry items, you can instantly see what you have without unloading half the cabinet first. The two-tier design takes organization a step further by maximizing vertical space while keeping everything within easy reach. It's the kind of upgrade that makes your kitchen feel more efficient every single day, especially if you cook frequently or simply want less frustration when looking for household essentials. For turning one of the most inconvenient storage areas into one of the most functional, it comfortably lands in the number 5 spot. Coming in at number 4, we have an over-the-door storage organizer, and this is the kind of product that proves you don't always need more space. You just need to use the space you already have more efficiently. The back of a door is often completely overlooked, yet it can become valuable storage for all sorts of items. While it's great for stuffed animals in a child's room, it's just as useful for storing accessories, baby products, small blankets, craft supplies, or everyday essentials that tend to clutter shelves and floors. The hanging design requires virtually no installation, making it an easy solution for renters or anyone who prefers quick upgrades. What really makes it practical is how visible everything remains. Instead of digging through bins or crowded closets, items stay organized and easy to grab when needed. It's a simple way to free up floor space, reduce visual clutter, and keep frequently used items within reach. For maximizing unused space with minimal effort, this organizer earns its place at number 4 on our countdown. At number 3, we have underbed storage containers, and this is one of the smartest ways to create extra storage without adding a single piece of furniture to your home. Most people have a large amount of unused space sitting right beneath their bed, and these containers help turn that forgotten area into a practical storage zone for clothing, blankets, bedding, shoes, or seasonal items that don't need to be accessed every day. The low-profile design slides easily under most bed frames, while the clear top panel lets you quickly see what's inside without opening every container to find what you're looking for. That might sound like a small detail, but it can save a surprising amount of time and frustration. They're especially useful in smaller homes, apartments, or guest rooms where closet space is limited. Instead of overcrowding shelves and wardrobes, you can keep less frequently used items neatly stored, protected from dust, and completely out of sight. For helping you reclaim valuable space that often goes unused, these containers deserve the number 3 spot on our list. Just missing out on the top 2. At number 2, we have this hanging closet organizer, a simple yet incredibly effective way to multiply your storage space without installing shelves or buying a larger wardrobe. If your closet has plenty of vertical space but still feels overcrowded, this organizer helps you take advantage of every inch. The multiple shelf compartments create dedicated spaces for sweaters, jeans, t-shirts, towels, handbags, or even shoes, making it much easier to keep everything sorted and visible. One of its biggest advantages is accessibility. Instead of digging through stacks of clothing and creating a mess every time you need something, you can quickly see exactly where everything is. The hanging design also means setup takes only a few seconds, making it perfect for renters, dorm rooms, guest rooms, or anyone looking for an instant organization upgrade. The side pockets provide extra storage for smaller accessories, helping reduce clutter even further. For the amount of storage it adds while taking up virtually no additional floor space, this organizer earns an impressive number 2 spot in today's ranking. Taking the top spot on our list, we have the wall-mounted broom and tool organizer, and while it may look like one of the simplest products here, it solves a problem almost every home has. Cleaning tools are notorious for creating clutter. Brooms fall over, mops end up leaning in corners, dusters get buried behind appliances, and before long, the laundry room, garage, or utility closet feels messy, no matter how often you tidy it up. This organizer creates a dedicated place for everything, using secure grip slots and built-in hooks to keep cleaning tools neatly stored and easy to access. What makes it so effective is that it doesn't just organize a few items, it helps organize an entire area. By getting tools off the floor, spaces instantly feel cleaner, larger, and more functional. It works equally well in garages, kitchens, laundry room, storage closets, and even outdoor sheds. Unlike many organization products that target a single problem, this one improves the overall look and efficiency of your home every day. For its combination of affordability, practicality, space-saving design, and everyday usefulness, this is the product that deserves the #1 position in today's countdown.